Let's look at our this question 1. What's the m? M is called the gradient. What's the c? Y-intercept. How do you get the gradient and how do you get the intercept? You read from this format, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
You read from this format. Okay, so now your question here is this. Can you see? Y equals to kx bar, kx minus 3. Can you see?
Yeah.
So what is the format?
Y equals to kx minus 3
This is the question. I ask you what's the format.
mx plus c.
And then you are given y equals to kx minus
3.
3. So what is your gradient?
K
Yep. What's your y-intercept?
minus 3.
Very good. So what the question is asking? Find the value of k. How do you find the value of k? Okay. How do you find the value of k? So now we don't. Okay. By the way, I write the format for you to understand. I don't have to write it for you next time. Okay. You should. You can put it down, but I'm not going to tell you anymore. Okay. You have to put it down so that you can compare. So you need to know that this function or this equation it is explained by this table, right? What it means is this table is, let's say your this y equals to kx plus 3, kx minus 3. If you input the, okay, let me pick this. If you put x equals to 1, your y is supposed to be what? Minus 5. I pick this. Are you clear? So that means if you put in your x is minus 1, your y is supposed to be minus 5. If you put into this, right? Are you clear? Are you clear? So let's say if you don't pick, let's say you don't pick this set. Can you put this set also? Can you put this set instead? The answer is yes. You can also put in x is equal to 2. Your y is supposed to be
Minus 7.
minus 7. So now the question is which set you want to put in? Which one is easier for you to put in?
1.
Okay, 1. Smaller, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I erase this. So now I put it in. Y is equal to minus 5. Your y is here, right?
Yeah.
So you replace your y with minus 5. What's your k? Don't know. What's your x?
1.
Can you solve for k? Just a blank page and quickly do it. This one. So k times 1 equals to k times 1 equals to what?
1k.
1k. So 1k is also
K.
yeah. So that means minus 5 is equal to k minus 3. So k is equal to algebraic manipulation. So k equals to what are you doing? What you want to do? Your K is at which side? You don't anyhow do. Wait. Your K is over here. You don't write your K on the left. The K is always on the right. You don't anyhow do. So underline similar term and do what is necessary. Right? So what you want to do?
Move the
Yeah, move what?
5.
You move the Y to that.
Okay.
Show it. Show the arrow. Which one is easier? This one to that one or this one to this one? Do it quick. Huh? On top of the equal sign? You don't do nonsense things, okay? Do it quick. Equals to. Yeah, good. So K equals to.
-2.
Yeah. So in fact, how do you do this is you underline similar term first. Okay. So yeah, like I say, you can move the -5 to that side, but it looks like it's harder. So it's better you move the -3 over. You can put it in front or you can put it behind the -5. So I decide to move it in front. So -3, move it over becomes +3 because over. So change sign. -5 is equal to K, and then K is equal to -2. So your K is equal to -2. Okay, you know how to get K already. So you just pick one set of value. Okay, you pick one set of value, you put it into this, right? Then you get your K. Are you clear? So let's say if I don't use this set, can I use 2 and -7? Test it out. So it says 2 when x is equal to 2, y is equal to -7. So your y is replaced by -7, right? So your x is replaced by 2 -3. So -7, 2k, -3. Underline similar term, -3 to the other side, right? Right? So -3 to the other side +3. -7, copy down, 2k. So you are supposed to get -4 equals to 2k. So divide by 2, you get k. Divide by 2, you get -2. Are you clear? So k is equal to -2. So k is equal to -2. So can you see that I pick this pair, I get k is equal to -2. I pick this pair, I also get k equals to -2. So it doesn't matter which pair you use. Are you clear? Can you use this pair? Yes. Right? No matter what, you will get k equals to -2. So do you know how to get k -2? Okay, good. Next. They say complete the table above. Okay, the table is completed. Next. What's next? Draw. Have you drawn it out? According to the 1 cm to 1 unit on the x-axis, 1 cm to 2 unit on the y-axis. So let me look at your scale. So they say for the x is 1 cm the 1 unit. Did you use 1 cm 1 unit? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This one my teacher go through.
Oh, this one is go through one.
Yeah.
You still haven't drawn what? Go through also don't use. You still haven't drawn.
Teachers have to draw the scale.
1 cm 1 unit. Do you have a ruler? Measure. Is this 1 cm 1 unit? So normally you always start from 0 lah, huh? So is it 1 cm 1 unit?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So measure your y-axis. 1 cm, how many unit? 1 cm.
1.
1 cm how many unit?
2.
Okay, so that's the meaning of 1 cm, 1 unit for the x, 1 cm, 2 unit for the y. Okay? Now, draw the graph. So how do you draw the graph? Okay. You look at this one. Focus on this. They say draw the graph according to this scale. So this is 1 cm, 1 unit for the x-axis. So your x-axis is your x-axis is your horizontal axis. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So let me make it bigger. Okay, this is your. So they say, can you see that the x must be from what? Can you see the x is from where to, from what to what? The x value is from 0 to
4.
0 to 4. So x is 0 to 4. So you start from
0.
0 to
4.
can you go to 5?
No.
Why not?
Because that'll be over.
Yes. So that means you need to follow the, this is called the range of x. You cannot go beyond the range. It's just like I say, you cannot spend more than $10 a day. So don't spend $10 a day. Understand me? Okay, good. So you start from 0, so you need to go to 4. But how do you go to 4? They say for the x-axis, so this is your x-axis, right? They say 1 cm to 1 unit, 1 cm to 1. Meaning that you use a ruler, Imagine this is a ruler. Okay? Imagine this is a ruler, you park it, and then 1 cm is here. So this is your 1 unit. 1 unit means this is 1. Are you clear? Then next, what's your 2? Again, if this is 1 cm, so your 2 is another 1 cm. So this is your 2. How do you find your 3? Same thing, another 1 cm. You get your 3. Next, 1 cm. You get your 4. Okay? Can you go to 5?
No.
Why not?
Will exceed the.
You exceed the range. Okay, good. So you stop for the x. Now they say the y-axis. The y-axis is 1 cm to 2 unit. Meaning what? You use this 1 cm, but you insert the y-axis first. Okay, 1 cm. So this is 1 cm, right?
Yeah.
1 cm, how many unit?
2.
2. So 1 cm, instead of 1, you put 2. Okay? Then what else? Another 1 cm, instead of 3, you put what?
4.
Yes. Continue. 4 then.
6.
Very good. So that's for the positive. Right?
Yeah.
Then what you do for the negative side?
Negative 2.
Yeah. And then negative?
4.
Yeah. So that's how you get your y-axis. These are called the scale. Is there a range for your y-axis? No, no range. Can you see they never give you the range? There is no range for y given. So if there is no range for y, any range is okay. Are you clear? Okay. Good. Then now you start to. Did they give you the table? Yeah, I think they give you the table, right? Yeah. So what's the first point? Oh, okay. I see it here. So I just grab it. I just grab this. It's here, right?
Yeah.
Can you see that your y is all negative numbers? So do you need positive numbers?
Yeah.
So you don't need to. So basically you can erase if you have. You don't have to erase also. If there is no positive number, you don't have to write. But if you have written, fine. Right? So basically you focus on this side. You focus on the
Negative.
negative side, yes. So it looks like I run out of space. Can you see? I run out of space. So what I need to do? So if you during the exam somehow you realize you run out of space what you need to do is this. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you how. So I don't need the positive value. So I just move up. So instead of 6 here, 4 here, 2 here, you know what I'm going to do? 2, minus 2, negative, negative 4, negative 6, oh, by the way, your ruler is longer. You don't have to do it one by one. You just mark. Okay? So, negative 10. Do you need negative 12? Yes. Okay? Because it's negative 11. So you need one more. Are you clear? When you stop. Are you clear when you stop or not?
Yeah.
And then after that, extend this line a little bit. You use your ruler, extend it a little bit. Good, done. So just plot the point. 0 and negative 3. Like I say, it's not very accurate, right? So, in between. Okay? 0 and negative 3. 1 and negative 5. 1, negative 5 here. Okay? Okay, can? So it's 2 and negative 7. 2 and negative 7. In between. Okay? 3 and negative 9. You must use your ruler, by the way. 4 and negative 11. So once you have all these points, what you do? Link it up. Using a ruler. This is extend it a little bit. Can you extend? No. Because they say must from 0 to 4, right? They give you the range, right? So can you go out of the range?
No.
Cannot. So must start at the point and end at the point. Cannot go out. That's why they give you the range. You cannot go out beyond. Okay? So once you have drawn the line, label. What's the equation?
Y equals to kx minus 3.
Very good. Y equals to. No, you already got the k. What's the k? Y equals to.
Y equals to
What's the k? We found out earlier.
negative 2
Negative 2
minus 3.
x minus 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this is the labeling. So that's how you draw. Understand? Understand? Then what's the next question? This one done already. How do you draw this one? Oh, this is another question already. Question 10. Can you draw this? first thing first, the scale correct or not? I want to see 1 cm 1 unit for x-axis. Is it 1 cm 1 unit for x? I want to see negative 2 to 5. The x is here, ma. This is the x. But x is 1 cm to 1 cm to 1. Erase the straight. Erase this. This is. It looks so ugly to me. Okay, usually, right? Usually you don't start from here, you know why? You should start from the middle. Okay? You start from the middle, at least you have so much to play with. Later you start from here, later no space here, how? Right? So always start from the middle. Erase the y also. Always start from the middle. So write down x 1 cm to 1. Do the 1 cm to 1 first. Are you supposed to use the inch?
I joined the one.
Nonsense. Where you start from?
0.
Where do you start from? For the x. Where do you start from?
2.
Where do you start from?
2.
Read it loud and clear.
2.
Read it loud and clear.
Negative 2.
Read it loud and clear.
X. Negative 2.
哈？这个哎
X negative 2.
From where to where?
Negative 2 to 5.
Tell yourself one more time.
Negative 2 to 5.
Tell yourself one more time.
Negative 2 to 5.
Where you start from then?
Negative 2.
Go. One cm to 1. Go. Where's your first negative 2? Write your negative 2 first. If this is your negative 2, where's your negative 1? Go, quick. Don't draw below. Draw on top. You know why? Because once you put the ruler here, you cannot write below, right? So you cannot write below, you write on top, lah. So it's easier for you to keep drawing only. Later you erase. Do it now. Where you decide to put the negative 2? Okay, good. Start from there. 快点，不要浪费时间。Can you label negative 1? 继续。You are supposed to stop at
5.
Draw a straight line across. Give an arrow, label the x-axis. Give it an arrow. What's the y? 1 cm to 2 unit. Correct. You got the y value already? If you don't have the y value, how do you know the range? So how do you get the range? You get it from the table. So you need to get all the y value first. So the first one is 18. You see 18? Double check. So you put the negative 2 inside, what you get?快点 double check, put the negative 2 inside, what you get? Circle the equation, you need to look at here. Put the negative 2 inside, what you get? Then put the negative 1, put the 0 quick until 5. Get all the values for y out first. So what's the range for y?
18
2?
to negative 3.
Good. So where you start from?
The 0.
0. So where you decide to put your negative 2?
Here.
Okay, but they say 1 cm is to 2 unit. So how?
The 4 is 6.
Yep, good, right? So you should start with. Wait, where's your point? You use 5.5. Okay, good. You want to go down first or go up first? So the next one will be negative what?
Negative 2.
Right? Mark it, label, quick. Go, next one. You want to go further?
No.
Then go up. Not good. Why? You're going to cover your this side. You just use the end. 2 cm to 1 cm to 2 unit. Wait, 1 cm 2 unit eh? Where's your 1 cm? Where's your first 1 cm?
Here.
Good. That will be your.
2.
Very good. 继续。快点。Until 18. Hold on. No, hold on. You see, your this is crooked already. Can you see? It go into the. Can you see the line?
Yeah.
So you must align. No need to be so big. Draw a line. Okay. Good. Arrow. 可以。Label all the points quick. Negative 2 and 18. Where's negative 2? Negative 2.
Oh.
Negative 2 is the x. Can you see? Negative 2 and 18. 你确定这是 18? You want to line it up? Okay, good. Negative 1 and 15. Where's 15?
Here.
Use your this to help you. 等下 middle 嘞 middle. Where's your middle? Middle is here, right? In between, right? So that's the reason why you need to get the middle. Where's your 1? 继续。哦 need to be consistent. Cross means cross. 继续。0 and 12. You need to be more accurate, okay? You are a bit off already. You are slightly above. 对吗 Am I right or not? Am I right or not? You need to be super accurate. The cross exactly happened at that point. Okay, never mind. This point slightly off. 来继续。1 and 9. Where's your 9? 中间。No. Where's your 1? Trace from the 1. Trace. Up. 快点。Good. 来。Yep. 继续。2 6. 3 3. It's actually in between. It's not on the line. It's in between. It should be inside that square. It should be inside the square. Inside. Yes. Note down there first. Put a note there first. Then later use the cross. Okay, use the cross. Okay, 0 and 4. 4 and 0, sorry. 4 0. Yep. 4 0. 4 first. 0. Good. Yeah, 4 0. Last one. Negative 3 and 5. In between. Where's 5? Where's your 5? Never mind, draw a line across first. Very light one. Quick one. Go all the way. Never mind one. Yeah, put little again. 5. Yeah, go down. Dot there first. Cross. Good, link it up. By the way, you cannot extend it because they say minus 2 to 5. Looks like one of the points is a bit off, so just correct the point. This point is a bit off, so just come down a little bit. Okay, the rest is okay. Understand? Understand? Okay, good. 可以了. So label. This will be your y equals to 12 minus 3x. Now they say mark the point. 0, A and 0. Where's your A and 0? Where's your A and 0? Where's your A and 0? This one is your A and 0. You write down what is this point? What's this point? 4 and 0. So this is your A and 0. So they say 1 and B. Where's 1?
Here.
Where's this point? 1 and
9.
1 comma 9. So this is your 1 and B. C and 6. Where's the 6? 6 refer to the Y. So what's this point right now? No, don't read here. Read from the graph. Yeah. So can you see? They want the A and 0. So which one is the A and 0?
4,
Yeah.
0.
Yeah. So which is 1 and what? 1 and what? 1 and?
B, the 9.
So B is the 9. C and 6. So 6 is the. So C is 2. Okay? 可以吗? Last one. They say complete the following table. A lift is initially at 3rd floor. It moves up 2 floors per second. So let Y be the floor. Okay, good. So this one you need to understand the English first. So what's the English in this question? I'm going to go through question 3. So, English-wise, a lift is usually at 3rd floor. So basically, let's say you have a lift, right? You have a lift. So the lift is at 3rd floor. So start from 3rd floor. So every 1 second, it will go how many floor? So it's 2 levels per second go up, right? So 0 second is at 3rd floor, right? Then after 1 second, which floor is that? 1 second will go up 2 floor. So after 1 second,
5,
yes, 5. After another second,
7,
very good. After another second,
9,
after another second,
11.
很好. So you are supposed to plot this. You're supposed to plot all these points out. But before you plot this point, you need to use the scale. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate to you how you do this. Using okay, by the way, if you use technology, it's much faster. Do you know why? Because you can make use of this one. I can copy and paste. But the scale is slightly different. Why? I need to start from 0 to 4. And then y is 3 to 11. So do I need to have the negative side for the y?
No.
No need. So I can bring this down. I can bring this up. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Then just put it aside so that it doesn't obstruct me. 2 cm to 1 unit. So let's say this is 1 cm, right?
Yeah.
So 2 cm will be 2 unit, right? Right? So it is 2 cm to 1 unit. So 1. Continue. Like I say, you can use technology. Three, 4. Start from 0. This is my x. So I have covered 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done for x. 2 cm to 1 unit. Right? So in fact, it's good that you write here 2 cm to 1 u. You don't have to write on top here because it's very hard to refer. You know? If you write it here, it's easy to refer. You see? Next, it says 1 unit to 1 to 1 for y. 1 to 1. Okay, good. So just rotate this. 1 to 1, right? Right?
Yeah.
1 to 1. Okay, just put here. 1, 2. 1 to 1, right?
Yeah.
So 3, 4. Continue. So looks like I will run out of space, huh? Right? I hope you realize I will run out of space. So I need to extend. Are you clear? I will run out of space. Okay? Little bit run out. So the 11 is supposed to be okay. I can just yeah. Extend a little bit. What happened?
Ruler drop.
11, right? So just mark 0 and 3, 0 and 3, 1 and 5. So it's good that you have a long ruler. I'm going to show you why. A long ruler is needed. So you put your 1 here. If this is your ruler, you know that you mark here. 1 and 5. 2 and 7. Put your long ruler here. So this is your 7. Okay? 3 and 9. That's why long ruler is the best. 4 and 11. So always prefer a long ruler if you have. So once you get all these points, just link it up. Okay? This long ruler is super long now. Wow, so long. Okay, good. Just tilt it and link it up. From this point, then this point to this point. Okay, looks like this is not the, so just insert a line from here to here. Then after that, label. Done. Any other question? May write down the equation connecting x and y. So what's the equation? So what's the name of this straight line? What's the format?
Y equals to mx plus c.
Okay, what's c?
Great. Y intercept.
Yeah, y-intercept. So which point you need to look at? Y-intercept.
Y.
Where is the y-intercept in this question?
3.
So c equals to
0.
0.
And 3.
Okay, so good. So you replace. How do you find m? How do you find m? You pick one pair. So I'm picking x equals to 1, y equals to 5. So given this, so my y equals to mx plus c. Alright, how do I get the plus 3? I get from the y-intercept. Right? Right? So how do I get the m? I put my 1 into it. My y is supposed to be 5. So how do I get my m? Similar term, plus 3, move it the other side. So my m is equal to 2. Right? So my m is equal to 2. So this is the name of y equals to 2x plus 3. Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear now?
Yeah.
That's how you answer your last question. But let me give you one more formula. Y equals to mx plus c. This is the format, right? How do you get the c? C is the y-intercept. So you just read from the graph. Read from the y-axis. Are you clear?
Yeah.
How do you get the m? There is a formula for it. The gradient is equal to y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. Meaning what? Meaning if given this question, given your this question, x1, y1 is your first pair, x2, y2 is your second pair. So you need to pick two pairs of. Okay, so which two pair you want to go? Shall we put this pair and then this pair?
Yeah.
So if you look at this, 1 and 5, 2 and 7. So basically this is your x1, this is your y1. This is your x2, this is your y2. Right? So if I pick this, I just put it into this. This is your y1, this is your y2, this is your x1, this is your x2. Right? From the table. So now I just put into this. I just put into this formula. So what's your y1? What's your y1?
1.
y1.
5.
y1 is 5. Minus, what's your y2?
7.
What's your x1?
1.
What's your x2?
2.
Above, minus 2. Below, minus 1. 2, right?
Yeah.
Check. M equals to 2. Do we get m equals to 2? Can you see that? My formula works here. Can you see that? One more question. This one. Once again, what's the formula for m? Can you still remember? M is equal to y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. Okay? Which two pairs you choose? Shall we choose this? Okay? This is your x value, right? 0 and 1. This is your y value, right?
Yeah.
Write down. This is your x1. This is your x2. This is your y1. This is your y2. By the way, it's very easy. You know why? If you choose this is your x1, this has to be your y1. Right? This is your x2. This has to be your y2. So that means this means x1 and y1 means the first pair of x and y. 2 means the second pair of x and y. So this will be your x. How many?
X3.
Correct. Below is?
Y3.
Very good. This will be x4. This will be?
Y4.
Yes, should be y. But why? Because all these are y, okay? Good that you never make mistake. This is your x. This is 4, this is 5. This is?
Y.
Can it be 6?
No.
Yeah. That's how you decide. So, with this, what's your y1? Read.
-3.
Very good. Minus, what's your x2? Where was your y2, sorry?
-5.
Put a minus there. Okay? What's your x1?
0.
Minus. What's your x2?
1.
Minus, minus, plus. 0 minus 1, minus. This is 2. Above, minus 2. So, for this question, your gradient is minus 2. Go back to the question. Not this question. This is gradient equals to minus 2. Is the k equals to minus 2 for this question? 9? Check. Is it k equals to minus 2?
Yeah.
Gradient minus 2? Yeah, so our gradient is minus 2. How do you get the k equals to minus 2? Your school method. What is my method?
The
Formula. So your job, right, is to remember the formula and then label x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, then y1, y2. Do you need to use the 3, 4, 5?
no.
No need. Why? Because
Just need
2 pair is enough. Right? So that's how you get. How do you get the C? Read from the y-intercept. Intercept means cut. So how do you get the c here? Read from the y-intercept. This is minus 3. Okay? How do you read the... Yeah, so we just get the y-intercept. That's your c. So in this case, your c is equal to minus 3. Your gradient is given by your formula. y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. So you just have to memorize this. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you get your 9, 10, 11. Are you clear? So, if this, okay, this one is for you to calculate. Is they give you a table, you have to calculate. What about this one? This one you don't have to calculate, you just read. You just read from the format. Okay? So, can you see that you have two types of questions that you need to find the gradient and the y-intercept? One is just read against the format. The other one is calculate. Okay? So next lesson I'm going to give you two types.